Hi, it's Paul here. There seems to be a lot of people at the moment asking how to download or cache maps for use in the DJI GO app when you're in an area that you've got no Wi-Fi or you've got no signal. So I've had a bit of a play around today. I can show you how to do it on Android, but there is actually no proper way of doing it on iOS, but I have worked out a little workaround. So anyway, I'll show you how to do it on Android first. If we open the DJI GO app, I'm going to change it to Mavic Pro just because that's what I've got. It doesn't make any difference. And what I'm actually going to do is I'm just going to turn off my Wi-Fi. So at the moment I have no internet connection to my tablet at all. So we'll enter device, and as you can see the screen's loaded up. I've got a GPS on, that's fine. The screen's loaded up and we have no map at all. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the menu. I'm going to turn on my Wi-Fi and my GPS just for the time being. So now my Wi-Fi is connected. We're going to go into the menu by pushing in the top right hand corner, and we're going to click on offline map. Now what offline map is going to allow us to do is download the road map for an area that we choose. So it says at the top, cannot use satellite maps when not connected to a network. Offline maps are only regular rather than satellite ones. So you're not going to get any aerial view apps, but you are going to get road maps, which is obviously awesome. I live in the United Kingdom, so I'm going to download all regions for the United Kingdom. There we go, that's started now. This takes some time to do, so I'm just going to quickly zip through it and I will get back to you again on the other side. That's it now. All the regions have downloaded, so we're going to go back in. You can see that I've still got Wi-Fi on at the moment. I found that the first time that you go into the display, you need to have Wi-Fi on. So we're going to enter device, give it a minute, and you can now see down here that I have maps. I'll turn my Wi-Fi off. Give it a minute, and there we go. There's the cached maps that are downloaded. You can actually see that it's downloaded all of the UK. And again, this is with my Wi-Fi turned off, so there's no internet connection. You can now see that I can zoom in anywhere in the UK, Preston, I can pop to Blackpool, everything's in there. So that's it. That's quite simply how you download the maps on an Android tablet. Go to London, London Bridge, Tower Bridge, Millennium Bridge, and come around here, that'll be the Millennium Wheel. Everything we need for the whole of the UK is now stored on my tablet, and there's absolutely no need for me to have an internet connection when I'm out to now have a working map. iOS. This feature is not available on iOS, but there is a little bit of a workaround. So on iOS, before you leave the area where you have your internet connection, open the map. Obviously you'll have an internet connection and it will download the map for the area that you're in. Move the map to the area where you're going to fly, and then do not exit out of the DJI GO app, and it will then retain that mapping information when you go to use it, even though you have no Wi-Fi. If you exit out the DJI GO app on iOS, the mapping information disappears and you can't get it back until you have a connection. On Android, you can exit out the DJI GO app to your heart's content, open it back up. Obviously it just takes a second. Enter device again, and there you go. Still have no Wi-Fi, still have mapping. And that's mapping of the whole of the UK. there you go. For those that wondered how you download or cache maps onto your device, that's how. Hopefully they'll change it so that it works on iOS as well. I mean, I am just an Android user, but I know loads of people that prefer using iPads or iPhones than iOS. So hopefully they'll sort that out on the next release, because it is really a nice feature to have. If you like my little video, give me a thumbs up or subscribe. Links to all my social media are in the description below. I'm also on Patreon. If you fancy supporting my videos and the creation of the stuff that I do, have a pop through there. Every little helps. Thank you for watching. I hope it's been of some use. Cheers.